Welcome guys, and we're back with the next one.
Yes.
So for today, this will be our first time doing a cooking video in our new kitchen. I'm so excited for this one, guys. So we actually will be doing a curry seafood recipe for you using blue crabs and crayfish. So this is gonna be really exciting and yummy. It's been a long time since we wanted to do a next crayfish and blue crab recipe, but the weather never really have it for people to see and get them.
So we couldn't get any of the
blue crabs, yeah.
So alright people, so stay tuned, sit back, relax and just
we're going to take you through the process. So first cleaning, I think already
I'm gonna do a little piece of cleaning, a little piece of cooking and then
cleaning, seasoning, babes. The cleaning seasoning and we're cooking down.
Simmer down and see.
And guys, you know, per usual, if you have been watching the seafood videos, you know what the side order is going to be. Oh no, I already never know that. So I implore you, if you haven't to watch the best spicy food, Jamaican pepper pot or the seafood boil. Gosh, it's my birthday. Well, it was my birthday. Go back and watch it. Anyways, no more talking. Let's go.
Into the video, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wasteland, wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't